Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Students, think about Lama Safari. If we want to go to Lama, what should we do at first? At first, we should make a plan, right? After making plan, we should implement that plan. For implementing that plan, we should distribute our work. And when we have done our work successfully, then our trip will be succeed. Thanks students. Like any trip, our state has a journey, right? And our state do many work for successing this journey. And for running smoothly this journey, our state has 3 organs. We have known about 3 organs. Do you remember the 3 organs of Bangladesh? Yes, students. One was legislative and executive and judiciary. And these 3 organs works together for running our state smoothly. In these 3 work, we know executive group works for implementing our all plan, and our legislative group make a plan and enact some laws. Students, here at first parliament, who are the members of legislative group? The members of parliament. They make the plan, and the member of secretariat works under the member of parliament. The secretariat, they are the member of executive group. Who are the member of secretariat? Some minister, secretary, and some government employees. And under there, the central government works. Who are the member of central government? Only the minister and the secretary. And under them, the local government has worked. Who are the member of local government? The member of local government are elected by general people. I repeat it. At first, we make plan from parliament. That plan comes to secretariat. And from secretariat, that plan comes to central government. And from central government, that plan comes to local government. And local government works for implementing that plan. The local government of Bangladesh has individual formation and functions. Before that, we should know about the structure of our local government. This is the structure of our local government. Our local government structure is different in urban and rural area. In rural area, the local government has a union parishad, and union parishad is the last local government of Bangladesh. The problem of any villages come to union parishad, and the councillor, the head councillor of union parishad, take the problem to the Upazila parishad, and that problems comes to the head of the Upazila parishad, and the head of the Upazila parishad has taken that problem in district council, and that district councillor taken the problem in divisional council, and our divisional councillor has taken that problem into our central government, that means in our secretariat. And after that, they solve this problem, and they make a plan for solve this problem. Like the village area, our urban government has a structure. Our urban area at last government is Poroshobha or city corporation. Union Parishad and Poroshobha are the functions and the functions and structures are same of Union Parishad and Poroshobha. Poroshobha is the urban, Poroshobha works for urban area and Union Parishad works for rural area. But the city corporation works for give a modern town to their region. Now Bangladesh have 12 city corporation. From any problem from any urban area comes to the Poroshobha or city corporation. The head of the city corporation or Poroshobha come to the problem to any thana or upazila, and that problem come to district councillor, and that problem comes to divisional councillor, and that problem go to the secretariat or the central government. And in this chain system, our all problems of any region has solved. Local government is the system of local representative. It works for local people. In our local government, our last one is Union Parishad. At present, we have 4,554 Union Parishad, and it works for rural areas, and it consists several villages. And all members of Union Parishad are elected by general people by vote. It has a chairman, 9 members, and 3 female members. 9 members from 9 wards, and 3 female members from 9 wards, and each 3 wards from 1 female members, and these 3 female members are the reserve seats, and total 13 members to form a Union Parishad. Our Union Parishad works some developmental work like education, family planning, judiciary, etc. Poroshobha is the local government of urban area. Its formation is different from the Union Parishad. At present, we have 327 Poroshobha in total Bangladesh in urban area. In Poroshobha, it has 1 mayor and 1 councillor from each wards, and a female councillor for reserve seats. The member of the Poroshobha is changed by its size or the member of the people of the Poroshobha. The words of Poroshobha and Union Parishad are almost same. Like Poroshobha councillor works for the public health, for education, for judiciary, for security, all of the developmental work. City corporation is the developed version of Poroshobha. It works for urban area. At present, Bangladesh has 12 city corporation. City corporation works for give us a modern and developed city, and it has much more facilities from the Poroshobha. It works in urban area, and it has 1 mayor and 1 councillor from each ward, and a female councillor for reserve seats. Like Poroshobha, the members of the councillor and the reserve seat of the female members are the more or less, and it depend on the territory of the city corporation. City corporation works on many of developmental work for the development of the city, and they works independently to under the government. Now, Upazila Parishad. The Upazila Parishad and Thana are the same. In words, Thana is using in urban area and Upazila is using in rural area. But its function and formation are same. At present, Bangladesh have 492 Upazila or Thana. It works in rural and urban area. Upazila Parishad consists several union, and it has a chairman, a vice chairman, a women vice chairman, and all chairmen of the union parishad. The works of Upazila Parishad and union parishad are almost same, but the Upazila Parishad are works for the supervision to the union parishad and make plan for the region of union parishad. Students, Bangladesh has how many districts? We all know Bangladesh has 64 districts. But Bangladesh government has only 61 district council. So where are the other 3 districts? The district Bandarban, Khagrachari and Rangamati, these 3 districts are works under the Chittagong Hill Tracts Affairs, and other 361 districts are works in the under district council. The district council has 1 chairman and 20 members. These 20 members are elected by the Union Parishad Chairman, Upazila Parishad Chairman and Mayor of Paurasabha and City Corporation. They are not elected by the general people. They are elected by the Union Parishad and Upazila Parishad Chairman and Mayor. And 5 female seats are reserved. 5 seats are reserved for female members. So, total member of district council are 21 members. 20 members and 1 chairman. District council also works for developmental work. Mainly district council try to solve the all problems of in under its region, and take many types of plan and supervise the Union Parishad, the Upazila Parishad and City Corporation Paurasabha. A good governance is established then when all of the employee of government is working sincerely and honestly. If a good governance set in the state, that state become developed. So we all are want to a good government. Students, today we have known about the local government of Bangladesh. Please read your book and solve the worksheet and send me.